Hello, welcome back to our channel. This time we asked our manicurist if she can show us gynae nails, which is probably translated as concept nails. In this video, you're going to watch how she does cherry blossom concept nails. You can check out the tools she uses in this video in description. As you can see, she started applying pink gel on the nail tip, and this one is for middle finger. So what she's going to do here is to apply the base color and then add some detailed design on top. If you want to bring out pink color more, you can repeat the process that you apply the gel and cure it. And it's important to cure each time you add a color to avoid a bumpy surface. Then she started drawing dots on the center and both sides, and each dot should be placed evenly spaced. Drawing a bit bigger size dots will make it easier for you to connect them and make a line. If you're done connecting the dots around your nail tip, let's cure it. When the line became thicker than you wanted, you can fix it by applying pink gel with a round or square head brush. Once you finish drawing the lines, draw dots on the center of each triangle. Then start connecting the dots again. And next she's doing the nail tip for thumb. This one will be pink ombre. Then she'll start drawing some pieces of cherry blossom with white gel. You can express the moment the cherry blossom petals fall in by making the size and the direction of them random. Also, adding pink gel from the center makes the petal more realistic. Now let's do the other 3 nail tips. She will use 3 different pink gel and make halfway nail art design. You don't apply the gel on the whole nail but stop it halfway. I think it will be prettier if you change the thickness or the size of the line and make it asymmetric. If you want to bring the whole design together, you can use different colors with the same tone. This time she is using clear pink to make it look cool and refreshing. Pink gel and cherry blossom petals of this design will bring you positive vibes that you feel in the spring. Also, you can use different colors depending on the season. Let's apply top coat gel and it'll be finished. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.